Morning sir, may pasok po ba? Oo Dodong, may pasok. Sir, hanggang doon na kasi yung bus amin, may pasok pa rin. Dito sa school hanggang doon naman pero pumapasok ako.
Flooding is a devastating disaster that deeply affects communities, especially schools. When floods occur, they don't just damage buildings, they disrupt the lives of students, teachers, and families. From elementary schools to high schools, they affect go beyond property damage, impacting the learning environment, emotional well-being, and future success of students.
For younger students, floods can create fear and instability when classrooms are damaged or evacuated. Children may experience anxiety, undermining their confidence in school. All the students, particularly in middle and high school, face the loss of vital educational resources like computers, lab equipment, textbooks. These disruptions jeopardize their academic progress, affecting future opportunities and career readiness. Floods also have a broader impact on communities as schools are often the heart of local life. The disruption of education can lead to long-term consequences for students and their families. However, communities have shown resilience in recovery. Parents, students, and teachers come together to rebuild schools and restore normalcy to ensure our schools and students are better protected. It's crucial to invest in flood-resistant infrastructure, better preparedness plans, and emotional support systems for students and educators.
While flooding presents significant challenges, it also presents an opportunity for us to come together to protect educations and the future of all children. By prioritizing resilience, both physical and emotional, we can ensure that no student's future is swept away by flood waters.